Hey family, in honor of Galentine's Day, we are going to be delivering these incredible packages to our friends here in Ghana. Hi Mommy.
Hi Davida. So excited to be here with Davida and her KLA team and to spend Galentine with them.
I put your picture on my mirror. Start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction.
You're welcome.
We know how much these friends of KLA are always asking, well, my product, where can I get present and all that? We thought about just giving them a surprise.
In the dark, can you tell me what it means?
Pretty, thank you. I'm the queen of self-care, so this is going to get to use, let me tell you.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, sure. The champagne is champagne-in. So girlfriend, this is your Galentine's Day box from the KLA team.
Never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right on time when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I feel myself in the zone. I get nervous when you call, so I say I'm not.
We're so proud of the work that we were able to do.
Happy Galentine.